Glór Tíre, oria ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Well, go many diolch agus for géad fáilte isteach go dtí teachna céimh agus muid be baithioch líb as crí lár chair na Gaillimhe do Glór Tíre. A nocht casa an líonar chuoibh i ríis agus tá siad thuas a staire a láthir na huair a ndéantí le páric agus gan doubt sketamíní orthú. Tá séisiir acu sin sláán buchas go na bhótaí a cha sibse ach tá trúr acu fós I muil. Tá na línta dúnta agus beise de guscail sa ríist ag deire an chláid. Rivision is faoin na moltarí a bheith se an cinne crua dhéanana, céan bheirt a bheith sa galháile agus céan duine a thiocas riad go dtí na bátaí ceathrú canis an teachtain seogain, agus é ar fad sa tóid an dúis iontar seo.
Jafa buiter Glór Tíre €5,000 an aige tirim mar rúis. Le caurúlo an bohar a walla go dtí na réalta. Agus béise seo ar fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Se go divan agus a dionla chun chuile be tá banatí Glór Tíre. Agus cámach muid gan na moltarí a linn chola heachtain agus iad a ggéirbh a chur na homothóirí ar fad ar mór ceart a d chéad fáilteach Joni Chéide, John Creedon agus Catriona ní Thualaháin. Bé muid a cant leis na moltarí ar ballbeg ach ní chuneam muid na homothóirí pech níos faide, mar tá sketamíní arú agus go dtíhanna iad fíor nearmhíseach go dom. Mar sin fógróid cé tá bailí riad go dtíon báta ceathrú canis mar sin an teachtain seogain. Danny le a hell. An chéad omathóid atá gáil riad ná Alana Maher.
Well, Cogard was like Alana on Ballach her fad as Kunde Chavan. Alana, when I met you, you were on a motorbike, you were showing us how to shoot, and the last thing I saw was you opening a bridge in Swanland Bar on Facebook. Facebook is a big part of what it is that you do.
It is, yeah. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, just plugging away at the whole thing.
And are you doing it yourself?
Yes, yeah. It's a bit of work, but it's good.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you very
Go down,
much.
sing your song.
Thank you.
Tá sí lána fuineh an chalín seo agus tá sí mótra le isteach go dtí báta a dó. Seo mar a dzaire le Alana go dtí seo.
And not because she passed the point of rescue, could he kid Mila Falls or a Alana Maher.
Listen, I dreamed you were back again. Larger than life again, holding me tight again. Listen, those same kisses on my brow. Lord, I remember how I couldn't get enough of the kissing. Do you know how much you're missing? No, you don't, but I do. Days like a slow train took a bite. Even the words that I write Distractions I'm using. Do you know how much I'm losing? No, you don't, but I do. But I do. And I wonder if I'm past the point or ask you. But it's no word from you and all the things that you can do. I never meant to push or shove you. Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't, but I do.
Is féidir leat a bhóta go dtíhann go rába thomthóir bé na hifirchaí fad aine psala mé an chlárthart agus osclón na línte an sin bear í fannacht feat tamil eile. Tu go me fadris na Maltarínis, Joe, céir de cheapú go Alana nocht?
Well, I do spot in il éonlínta sarm go tú chuir tríd go dtíon boutan seo, mar bhuiad a belád an éon den a lom glór tíre, tag an da aine me níos. Shasta, Shiri, agus tá tú breanna go hálainn agus se le feicil go réaltú amachsamach.
Gurma had Joe. Kid a cheapú hainte, John?
Well, Colleen glóte le gló bra millish agus manga gara áling ché. Look, ní hé Brexit atá going in nocht. Big an céad exit on Comórtas a going in nocht. Agus dar bhrí sin, tá ná mahóri agus tá na moltóri nar bhí freisin mar big an cinine sin le déanamh going níos déanaí ach ag an buinte seo tá Alana sochar go leor agus big siú rais. You're safe out and you're back next week. That's as good as it gets.
Well, Captain Cumrahanín si an compórta gur fadar an stáit go súla réalt mar dúirt Joe. An taon beidir písa molla bheoh go gom ná ceapascra beidir na bhéirsaí begáín ísisiil dá glóir, hí an curfá go deasláidir ach bhí se begáín ísisiil beidir dá glóir in áitina, beidir begáín bug in áitina. But, bhí an teagháil súla agus an féin bhúníar an jaasa fad.
Ítach, gur míle maithe go bhiltarí, gur míle maithe, de lena maithe a cháirte. Mar sin leanamid ar aonis go bheith muid cé héanú cé hí an dára duine atá teachí sláán. Danny le a hell. Agus an chéad an eile a bheith sa gáil ríd go dtí na bátaí ceathrú canis ná Lauren McCrory.
Hard Sean Lauren, congratulations, well done. You come from a part of the country that has given us 2 out of our last 3 Glór Tíre winners. Glór Tíre is obviously very popular up your side of the country.
Very popular, and thank you so much to everyone who's voted. I mean, I obviously wouldn't be standing here, so hopefully, fingers crossed, maybe someday it might come back to Tyrone.
Go on down and sing your song. Fair play. Is léir go bhfuil glór takeíocht ag Lauren. Tíochtas cud gon tíre bhfuil go leor daoine a breanúir Glór Tíre. Tá mianach aonsa seo mar a dair le go dtí seo.
Tell me you're sorry when you know it's a lie. Just pack your bags and hit the road. Don't even say goodbye. Goes around the blooming heather. Will you go? I see you go.
The cat's curled up next to me. Oh, I got everything I ever needed in you.
Walk that road all the way to heaven. Gotta walk that road until it's dawn. I gotta walk that road all night. All we need is a little light, and the closer you get.
Agus an ácht casta sí One Promise Too Late. Could gí míle fáilte a ribh Lauren McCrory.
I would have waited forever if I each other close all through the years. But I met someone before you, and my heart just couldn't wait. So no matter how much I adore you, I gotta stand behind the promise that I made. Where were you when I could have loved you? Where were you when I gave my heart away? All my life, darling, I'll be dreaming of you. You came along, one promise too late. You came along, one promise too late. I won't say that I'm sorry that I met you. I can't have you, but I never will forget you. Where were you when I could have loved you? Where were you when I gave my heart away? All my life, darling, I'll be dreaming of you. You came along, one promise too late. You came along, one promise too late.
Vermíle Mahad, Lauren. John, céir ceap go Lauren, ar chuise ínta sort go neamh
A rosa fad, you know, tosníon on Oran shin, you're gone in Ishil, you know, Octa Rain, Intokike. You know, you've a great range, because that's a tough old start to that song. Agus Darlumsa, you know, o Tus, Vichy, Cosula Realtine, Lunruch, Aaron Starch, Howland Chin. You've been shining like a star from the very beginning. I think you're on the right track, yeah.
Gur Mahad John, the Kitrin, the Kid, the Captain, the Lauren.
Capam gur Arani an Lodger E. De Rimar Dur John a Capam gur Ganyaki gun Taran of Yaus, De Rimar Kucheraig, Honigan Glor, Sever, you know, Nis Lodger Amak, De Rimar Kucheraig. So Tash Bont is on a Lodger. Great performance, Lauren.
Agus the Captain, the Gucci, Fausu, Holahacht, and a Joe.
Ó tá ní leute be bhfuil níl an as misníar ar státe nach chanéad agus tá tí muid ar fad gur ceanal therapy tá sa geol hún ar fad agus cuidhátaistin seo nacht agus tá bailach dríochtú leice a sinna chur le agus aire go héintach lethe.
Ítach, gur míle maithe go Walterí, agus gur míle maithe Lauren McCrory a chuoinú eisle. Leanna muid ar aimar sin go bheice muid céhéinú céhí an tíríú ó mothór slán, Danny le the hell. Agus an chéad ó mothór eile a bheits na boutaí Carú Canish ná Catriona ní Ghanamháin.
Everything, Christina. I'm delighted.
I'm delighted.
Fair play. To come more since I left now.
Tá agus bhaim agus buochas lecha le choilgan thugtaí a chum go dtí seo agus tá me nus tá cléide chuarm bh míle buochas fé choilgan is míle buochas go Jerry Guthrie thug sin irid taí a chum thug sé leis me choláte ar fud na tíad ó chean ceard na tíras míle buochas le fair play díobh.
This sheet is about time about the pastora. Ma Kylie O'Hain. Belcha fádas cárna ní tháinig sí bhád ach tá sí go leisteach tín chéad bóta eile. Seo mar a dzaire le go tíanna ní cheanháin go dtí seo.
Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. In a wide open space, take off your shoes, stay out of the rain.
But most of all, you're my best friend.
As she sewed, she told the story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors Joseph wore, and then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. I just...
Well, sin mar a daire le Catriona sa gomórtas go dtí seo a nacht passa sí back on my mind again. Could gi céad míle fáil sa ribh, Catriona ní Ghanamháin.
I took some time to clear my mind, got myself a change.
A tú sásta sinna Kitrína. Kitrína, tu go mecha fáidir a théin ar dús bar céir de cheapú go Kitrína.
Operation Gavalade tá Sianna yes around just brever biover clushant atá anirúnach de glór Katrina Capim anirúnach de tóna glór hí an tornádicus anias agus tá go hintach I ecint an ard humor so fair play go Katrina.
Joe, be sé sásta hir Somála?
Ó be sé thar a bheith sásta níháin muintir na gailteachta ach an nach leanú na taid ar fudfad na tíre agus smálam go neachta siúr go dtí líide ag 6-8 leis an órán sin chas sí go hálainne agus rudéile is cum ceanáisiú radio chasas doéir má éisiú le Catriona enú tú glóir ar buinte buise sin rud nachhfuil le chula óranna agus go neadú le Catriona.
Gur maithe Joe. John, cad cheapú Kitrína?
Cúpla seach na hin dúras go raibh an ráha órán Harveh tácht do Katrina go háirithe agus bhí an sin an ceann sin ar an spotta. You really hit the spot with that song. Agus bhí an léirú anna láidir lán de cócht agus glúiseocht agus a manga gáire. Very strong performance tonight. I thought you've gone up 3 gears since earlier. Anna bhá.
Gur maithe go bhfuil agus Kitrína ní ceanháin na cháirte. Maithú Kitrína. Well, tá na costa tucaí lob ag Alana, ag Lauren agus ag Katrina ach tá seisiir eile fós a fannacht ar scéala. Agus ná dearmad í chuilhhair a chain sibse bóta sa mála go bhín deis agus se freisin dúis ítach a grúchtáil. Tá gal blasebeg a thuir tríí póise nach teirí leis. Tá neart fós leachta seo ar golóir tíre.
Má chahan tú bóta na seanset an dúise a bhuachait. Rá ihe in Ostan Louis Fitzgerald agus dínear ihe bháinach sin I Joel's Restaurant, chomá le rá hiced go dtí cluife ceannis imáníochta nó pelle na héidir. Bé tú a musca corporaidach an sin agus bé sé seo ar fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Glór tíre áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Glór tíre áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Go meanaí déagaí agus bhar géad fáilte arás go dtí glór tíre. Féidir le gach ólas a faoin gláir áir leanach Facebook glór tíre agus ná dearmadí freisin gúil appain agus sin ar fáil sir a neis go riomh. Is se cháirte rihan na bhógraí daire le trúr a meach in go fada leis na bátaí Carú Canis, Jaam mu amachchanis céás an Carú Spotta. Darí le a hell? An Carú déna riad go dtí na bátaí Carú Canis, Dermot Lyons.
Fair play, Dermot. That's a guardian-ish. So hard, but Katrina had an awful lot of good things to say about Jerry Guthrie. I'm sure you would have an awful lot to say about Louise.
Absolutely. She's a wonderful lady. She has been fantastic to me throughout the whole experience, constantly in contact, meeting up, chatting about what might suit me, what may not. And she's been fantastic, and I want to thank Louise for giving me the opportunity.
Well done. Off you go.
Thanks, Pádraig.
Congratulations. Farciúna sin achas léir go go leor talamna agus is léir go go leor takeíocht aige. Seo mar a dair le Dermot go dtí seo.
Well, I don't know what she's done to me, but there's nothing else my eyes can see but the pretty little girl from home in the county of Tyrone. She makes me act and dress my best, keeps me filled with happiness. I don't know, I'm just lucky, I guess. Holding your hand, standing by to catch you when you fall, seeing you through. Any town in Ireland would be home. Just a cottage by the river, all alone. I'm sitting in a barroom in Chicago Sunday morning. And any town.
Well, sin mar a daire leis go dtí a go mórtas a nach casa se come down from the mountain, Katie Daly, chuir go céad míle fáilte roimhe, Dermot Lyons.
Come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie. Can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? You ought to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Well, our old man Katie came from Tipperary in the pioneer in year of 42. Our old man, he Katie's Irish Mountain Dew. So come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. Can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Wake up and pay attention, Katie Daly. I am the judge that's going to sentence you. And all the boys in court have drank your whiskey. And to tell the truth, dear kid, I drank some too. So off to jail they took poor Katie Daly. And very soon the gates were opened wide. An angel came for poor old Katie Daly and took her far across the great divide. So come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. Can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Come down the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie Dew. She'll never more be coming down the mountain, and we never more will drink her Mountain Dew.
Mahu Dermot. Joe Tassamela Thane, can you have to Dermot enough?
Well, Niach man am rá gaiiri go skippi réamh. Was go hain gcónaí le rá óran tugann tú siarmid ar bhórí na smaointe Dermot agus smála mar ríscoil bus go ceolad mar chuirinse go mór le a chuid óráin. Bhí sin ar céan ar fad agus tá chuid rá óráin th bar freisin agus smála go tú clí le ceoltíad an na héad an freisin.
Gurmila Ma Joe, John, can you have to hain go Dermot?
Cap and go Katie Daly exhausted from coming down the mountain. Ag on tempo shin, arouse our fad on a loider, August on secret weapon on Cardine freshen, you know. Talon Tahi, August Taki up ag Dermot, August is run on a hawkification, you know, ta Shana Cardul, le Michael Collins, Boutor, Rivishaw, Dunshra. August Louise Morrissey so cool in the freshen. I think with the support and with the experience you've got, you're well on track. Well on track.
Garaha John. Kitri the Ninta Hay.
Capas go sé Harveh láidir if. I mean, bhí gatain é Jack de Cévig Dausa, bhí funavín took ag buinte sin taispáinte, great energy, with everyone up dancing, Dermot. What else can you ask for? Well done. Mahu.
Gur maha go you alcari, agus gur míle maha Dermot lines a chuoine uais le. Leanna mit raimar sin go dtíon chéad am hóráile ríd agus dálan scéal níl se seo in áhar de líon na bhótaí caite. Mar sin Danny le de hell. An cúgiú am hóir sláán ná Claire Dillon.
Well done, Claire. As condemned congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You remind me of that song, Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. You're a hard-working girl.
I tell you
work
what,
hard to get here.
I'm giving it socks at the minute, but I'm very lucky. I have incredible support behind me. My family, my friends, and all my neighbours, the parish Loban's Town at home, and all the pubs I played in, the old coaching in Castleblaney and the North East they've just been fantastic.
Well done. There'll be 3 points for you with all those pubs. Go on down there and take us out. Mabíl Farach Rimpa Cún is keen to go in Cali Chow Law and Lefuniev. Shamar Dyer Le Claire Gadisha.
And things that he don't need. He took a second look at you, but he's in love with me. Bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one to send a letter to. We're going to Jackson. You big talking bed. I'll be waiting in Jackson. Some days you gotta dance. Live it up when you get the chance. 'Cause when the world doesn't make no sense and you're feeling a little too tense, loosen up those chains and dance.
Well, sin mar a daire le Claire go ddíise a go mórtas a nácht casa sí Adelaide an chuigí míle fáilte. Ribh Claire Dillon.
all the boys from David Road. No, my, you're really filling up their eyes. They're smiling and a winking, I know just what they're thinking. I'm the only one who loves you so. Head and lighter, pretty little Cajun queen. Sweet Dixie flower, belle of the bayou, you're every young street. And head and lighter, walk through a hurricane. She's sitting beside you, sweet head and lighter. I'll swing the Poncha train. And no, no, hot as little dish, I know. I know that you can tell it, but you're making me so jealous. From my head to my toes. And oh my, you can make a red look green. The way that you're looking really got me cooking. I ain't talking about A2B, head and lighter, pretty little Cajun queen. Sweet Dixie flower, belle of the bayou, you're every young street. And head and lighter, walk through a hurricane. She's sitting beside you, sweet head and lighter. She's sitting beside you, sweet head and lighter. I'll swing the Poncha train.
Mahu Claire. Well, John, can the captain go Claire enough?
Is lei sin well ban beag bídach ach leirú múr leidir fuinavach. You know, tá an factus an a hachtach ach seo hamach mar beag anvrú an comórtas a seo hamach. The campaign from here on is very, very important, but the performance was rock solid. A royal performance from the Royal County again. Well done.
I could feel the can the captain hang
The
Claire.
Catholic is sa láthairíonn Claire ag súlacht agus codasnacht anías leis na homóirí eile ón Eva, na briste leharas even na miad, an attitude agus an sasatá ke, handshake and mórlam and the whole jark of it. I think you bring a lovely variety to the competition, Claire, and with the sass and your attitude, so mahu.
Joe, am I like stíl Claire?
Ó sprálam mo stíl, sprálam mo lehar. Bhfuil sa cad a hain, tá na tréithar fad ag a galín óg seo le tuairt faoin tonscail ceol seo, agus sílam na ríre ag dead an na stratha seo go mé anam Claire Dillon le cluistal ar fut na tíre seo.
Gur míle maithag í voltarí agus Claire Dillon a bhaoine waiste. Agus go dtíobh is féidir leat a bótach aga Claire núdarrá ó mthór bein na sunraí ar fad an ghaobh salomé an chlár hart agus náidir nig dearm with cadal an teit a gí go bhile nuaire osclós na línte ar ballbeg. Ach an is tá ceathar fácaí agus nílach duine ach go sinna gan riad buchas go na bótaí a cháisibh se. Leanna muid raim mar sin Danny le a hell. Agus sin séú duine tá tacaí sláán ná Pandy Walsh.
Congratulations. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
You gig a lot.
I do.
What has been part of Lord Theatre? How has it been different for
Well, it's
you?
definitely raised my profile to a different level, thanks to the people who are voting for me and the people that are supporting me, and long may it continue.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go down and enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Is léir gur haine Pandy leis na moltóirí mar bhí sé an seo linn go deireanach, agus is léir go daoine sé leis na daoine Somála chomá. Seo mar a d'fhill le Pandy Walsh go dtí seo.
But if life were like a movie, I'd never be blue. That same old love, all forgiven, sent from my baby. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. Playing by these railroad tracks in Denver, with a hurting head and a half a pint of wine. Everything except my soul has been surrendered.
Well, sin mar a daire le Pandy go dtí se sa gomórtas a nacht casa se Rhinestone Cowboy. Could í míle fáilte ribh Pandy Walsh.
castle's the name of the game. Night skies get washed away like the snow and the rain. There's been a load of compromising on the road to my horizon. And I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me like a rhinestone cowboy riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo. Rhinestone cowboy getting cards and letters from people I don't even know. Offers coming over the phone. Just like a rhinestone cowboy riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo. Rhinestone cowboy getting cards and letters from people I don't even know. Yes, and offers coming over the phone. Just like a rhinestone cowboy and cowgirl.
Gurmina Mahad Pandy, ich hit Trina, want to salt us shit.
Bhfuil mé ansoltá síh agus bhíon cóna na sig an deir ar anías. Tá sé ráide go mo hústan stratha gur ceandas na omthirí is ceolmhara atá ar meascuí é Pandy. Ceapam go bhfuil áit tiltige go hilas go thomláns go mórtas tá ásarm go bhfuil sé fós linn. I really think you're one of our most musical contestants, Pandy, and anna talanach ar fad.
Gurmina Mahad Katrina, agus gan dawra Joas óran classicacha sin ó híhan cheol tíri.
Ó se rís sean óran an na seachtaí le Glyn Campbell County na Canas deise agus níle sam na ríide a destí mór an tróid wain bhar seo. Tá muid fósa caint ar an óran na chasú néí le Johnny Brady le Tennessee Whiskey. Tá muid fósa caint ar na ríide na hfuil. Agus na ríide níle éonlínta term goil tú fóslein agus sílam go méid rís teachtain se hagan.
Gur Mahad the joke is doubt a bragamór the voting na haja.
Yeah, ein tíim lena multóriala. You know, gan doubt tá scamal brón os cion cahar dira anocht, gohairthe Muinter McBride agus Muinter McGuinness agus, you know, Tá Galéir an seo ag smuoine bharthú anocht. Ach, in nóan an uignis sin tá sort spread agus macántacht Muinter an chúnta sin. I'm just saying, Pandy, you know, it's a kind of a grey night tonight in Derry, but from the very beginning I saw that integrity and that spirit that Derry people have in your performances, and I think again tonight that came through, that integrity. So, Berboa, I think you're doing brilliantly.
Gur Mahad John, Gur Mila Mahagad. As Gur Mila Mahad Pandy Homa, an Choralarin Chin O Pandy Watch, well, ta Cheshire Slán, buíochas gona bhótaí a chaisibse ach tá trúr inis a mil agus is faoin na moltarí a bheith be arú fad casa agus an sin be na moltarí an cinne cruógail céheas an áithéarnas na bátaí cearú canis an teachtain se thugain agus it fad sa tóir an dúise. Gláise an dúise coppla fógra ach taraling bheicisih céhiúras na Cosaló.
Jafan buiter glórtíide €100,000 an aige tirim Margúis. Le Cowrolo an bohar walla go dtí na réalta. Agus spéise seo ar fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Glórtíide áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Glórtíide áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Gomani diaghib agus bhfuair géad fáilte arás an seo go dtí glórtíre. Well, tá trúr atá fácaí bís casachain agus an sin is faoin na moltarí bheith se duine acu sin aránú le an riad go dtí an chéad bhálta eile. Sé chéad ina bheith sa casachain ná Pat Creevan agus seo mar a dair leis go dtí seo.
Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows in your hair. When you're in love, you'll find those little arrows everywhere.
Well, Ella knock Casa back in my baby's arms again. Could he Mila Falter of Pat Creven.
Honeybees are going to be humming, guitar strings are going to be strumming when I'm back in my baby's arms again. Happy wheels are going to be turning, flames of love are going to be burning when I'm back in my baby's arms again. No more tears are going to be falling, I done heard true love's a calling. Open arms are waiting yonder round the bend. Rivers of honey are going to be flowing, big sweet flowers are going to be growing when I'm back in my baby's arms again. Of love is going to be talking, hand in hand we're going to be walking when I'm back in my baby's arms again. Happy wheels are going to be turning, flames of love are going to be burning when I'm back in my baby's arms again. No more tears are going to be falling, I done heard true love's a calling. Open arms are waiting yonder round the bend. Rivers of honey are going to be flowing, big sweet flowers are going to be growing when I'm back in my baby's arms again. When I'm back in my baby's arms again.
Guramila Mahab, Pat Creven a chin. Lish question with wine the multari few on Ballbag Nert on the Humhori Fad Heish Casa. Agus na jam the gefeitri Bolestach, I glan Facebook Lord Tir Lanyard, alles Alfin the Humhori Fad. In here the Mohorella Vice Casa and Sabrina Fallon, Kahamud Suchir Ermarizai relay on word Yarna Havishi Leninsha, Lord Tira.
I fell into that burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burned.
Agus Shanishi Statue Lord Tira could give Mila Falls River, Sabrina Fallon.
Take me back where the grass grows the greenest, to that little emerald garden in the sea. Take me back where the girl saw the prettiest in the world, that lies in the heart of me. People ask me where I come from back in Ireland.
Grows the greenest a chasa in chin ag Sabrina Fallon chuin agus an umthóirhearnach tá fánacht le casa chuin nacht Sean Brennan. Cahamud súir mar a dair leis an tatan se caite in seo ag go Lord tíre.
My girl, she's my world, she's my life to me. She's my girl, she's my world, she's my wife to be.
Agus an nacht casa se cabin a home on the hill, could gin míle fáilte river. Sean Brennan.
Tonight I'm alone without you, my dear. In my heart's longing for you still. All I've got to do now is sit at home and cry in our little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone has taken you from me and left me here all alone. Listen to the rain beating on my window pane in our little cabin home on the hill. I hope you are happy tonight as you are, but in my heart's longing for you still. I'll just keep it there and I won't be alone in our little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone has taken you from me and left me here all alone. Listen to the rain beating on my window pane in our little cabin home on the hill. Oh, someone has taken you from me and left me here all alone. Just listen to the rain beating on my window pane in our little cabin home on the hill. Just listen to the rain beating on my window pane in our little cabin home on the hill.
Mahu Kyon. Sean Brennan in chin. Well, is keen to go Kenya crua riv na Maltari agus neart cor agus cútiva íon acub a láthar na huire agus náda tá siad a teachtar hocrú Keens a tá muid goil súlacha an dúis ítach a tá deis agaí Somália a grúchtal choulúir a chain se vóta bei na hifrachaí fád ein ghaib go gairid agus ná dearmadí freisin bhil sibh ná vóta a cha applórtíre nar a ospos na línte Baldbeg.
Má chahan tú vóta a seanset an dúise a bhuachait. Tá ihe in Nostan Louis Fitzgerald agus dínear ihe bháinacham sin I Joel's Restaurant chomáile rá hiccead go dtí cluife ceannis imáníochta nó pelle na héidir. Bei tú a musca corporaidach an sin agus bei sé seo fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Sinead, ich trína tá uair na ciniú na tacaí a bhfuil cinne din tagaí?
Well, Aoife, capamid goléir go bhfuil an áit tiltte ag an duine seo, bhí an omíocht tar a bheith géir ach tá cinenne déanta gunanis.
Danny le hell.
Saying dinner on Emer now, Sean Brennan.
Well, Cohortachas láta teáin agus go dtíhann Sabrina agus Pat umthóirí gon chéad sco as bhfuil muid an tainneamh as bhar goideachta in seo ghlórtíre. Ní mailinn sláán ará le éonlíne ón gomórtas mar is cordilin iad in áíre a farar nílach seachtar fanta má tá tusa géire do rása eáil a gon ríd go dtí an chéad bhóta eile bí cínte do bhóta a chad. Tá na hifrachaí sin fad I teat chugaí inis tebrite agus náidir í dearmad cadal an té tá gí go bhile sal a gathú do bhóta.
But it's no word from you and all the best that you can do. I never meant to push a shove you. You know how much I love you. No, you don't, but I do. All night, darling, I'll be dreaming of you. so jealous from my head to my toes.
Rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo.
Someone has taken you from me and left me here all alone. Listen to the rain.
Caran a háde sin ar gin gotí an tatan se hagan agus tá na línta oscailtína stúna siad de máirte hagan ag meán le a ráha a hábhail cad a bhóta. Tá sé táhachtach.
Harbh táhachtach mar tá sé ar fad bailí leis go dtí neamhníis. Ní chuúd an bhóta be chatú sos go dtí seo cá tú tosaí ríis agus má tá gur go go dutha amthir a ra go dtí chéad báta eile cá sé tosaí a bhóta agus nádin dermad ar an app chomá.
Sinné cháirte tá chuile ólas faoin gomórtas le fáil ar leanna Facebook chlórtíí an úpaisteach an ag TG Ceirstad a dhéach go dtín tatan se hagan. Slán tamil.
Glór tíre, oria ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.